I know.
Oh, it was fun.
I don't know
Well,
how
we'll
to out there.
Hey, Kelly, we'll do the Quentin?
Dude,
What?
Cody, the fire looks so
What?
cool.
What?
There's some dessert and that little.
Oh, yeah, there's some lemon juice right there.
Alright.
Hey, Kelly, we'll do
Thank you.
Chehalis. We'll do the one up at Chehalis next time.
Dude, Grandma, that's
Alright.
cool. I like how the
Bye,
fire's
Kelly.
like blue.
What's that?
It smells like firecrackers.
See, Grandma, look, I can get it purple too.
Okay, yeah. Take a picture.
No, I'm recording it.
Did
That
Lucy
looks
come
cool.
Came back
From
after
where?
that. She had to go to the bathroom.
She had to go to the bathroom to get
Oh, man,
Wi-Fi.
it's starting to die.
There it is. It's just weak.
It's like sitting on toilet water.
It's flaring up sometimes.
Look.
Oh, my gosh, there it goes. That's really beautiful.
Dude. Look at that coal.
Wow.
That's pretty.
Your mom says yes, she knows that stone.
She knows what?
Ask if she can put that in my. You have to buy them. You can't. Oh, ask if they like have those. Like.
Sure, but
Are
it,
you texting Quentin's mom? Tell her that Quentin's gonna spend the night with us tomorrow night.
good. That means we have another body to help put shit
What
away.
does this button do?
Because
Yeah.
he doesn't want to be
What does that
alone.
button
Slave
do?
labor.
No, what does that button
Woohoo.
do? What does this button do?
You shouldn't take
What's
too
this button? Nope.
Oh, wow, that one looks really pretty there, too, doesn't it?